Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. This is the day that we are going to make a super comfort and easy dish. This is a soup. I have here 4 chicken wings. I have half a pound of gizzard. I have about 2 ounces of mixed vegetable, 2 nice sized potato, a carrots, celery, green onion, 5 cloves of garlic, culantro and cilantro. I have about, I would say, 20 grams. I also have here, for flavor, chicken bouillon. I have here about half a pound of squash. This is all we're going to be putting on this soup. I'm not putting noodles. Simple, delicious, quick, for any day that you don't feel like you want to do much, or also that you just feel under the weather. Let's go ahead and put this dish together. First thing first, we're going to put the garlic. I like to let them cook like that, like burn a little. Let's go ahead and cover this dish for about 5 minutes. Let's make sure the temperature is right, so it's going to be on medium high. While the chicken meat is cooking for 5 minutes on medium high, so we're going to just go ahead and peel the vegetable. Here are the potato, and what I noticed is my potatoes are having little babies trees, so I'm gonna save this and bring it outside and put it in the garden later. You guys can see those are little trees, so I love it. So I'm just putting it in the water to keep it fresh and clean. We cut it in half. When done, we do the same on the other side. Then we take it and we cut it in little cubes of 6. And that's it. Take the squash, let's clean it up, press the inside. Take the seeds. Just clean as much as you can, and let's peel it. We're gonna take the skin as well. You can use either the knife or you can use this peeler. I prefer to do the knife. Let's go ahead and peel the carrots. Let's go ahead and check the meat. It's been 5 minutes, and you guys can see it's cooking on its own water, so that's a good thing. This is like chicken broth right now. So I'm going to cover it for about 3 more minutes, and then we proceed to put extra water and start the soup. Let's go ahead and put some water. We're going to be putting about 5 cups of water. We're going to cover this now. When it starts boiling, then we're going to put the vegetable. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes since the chicken has been boiling nice. So let's go ahead and pour in the cilantro and culantro. So I have about 10 grams of each. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and put the green onion. We have 15 grams of green onion. Let it cook for about 4 minutes. This is looking good. Right now we're going to go ahead and put the squash and the broth. You can see the color is nice and clean, light brown, beautiful. And the celery. We're just going to let it boil for 2 minutes. We want all the vegetables to be nice and tender, so we don't want to overcook them. Okay, we are ready to put in the potato and carrots. It's beautiful. We're going to be putting this vegetable as well. I'm going to give it 3 minutes, and then I'm going to come in with the marinade, which is going to be half an ounce of lime juice, and a tablespoon of chicken cube or chicken bouillon. Let's just wait a few minutes. It's time to marinate the soup. A tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Sorry about that, that's my dog Romeo. And I'm also going to be putting a tablespoon of lime juice. Let's go ahead and move it. This is looking good, you guys. Beautiful vegetable, nice and fresh. You can see that's the way we want it, nice and tender. The chicken soup is all done. Nice chicken vegetable soup. Oh wow, look at the vegetable. Is that what we wanted or what? Nice. You can see how tender they look, nice and crunchy. Definitely we can tell because they didn't break. That's what we were looking for. Chicken wing and gizzard soup. Beautiful. Chicken for the soul. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and I tell you guys, the smell of this soup is just awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try it right now. Wow, nice. Ooh, I like the herbs, so I'm gonna leave that cilantro right there. This is beautiful. A chicken wing, just the way I like it. With the bones and the tip, perfect. That is going in. You don't have to put noodles in a soup, not necessarily. I mean, really, the vegetable soup is just a clean, beautiful soup. Let me get a piece of gizzard, put it right there. And to top this beautiful soup, we're going to put a little piece of avocado right there. Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. It smells so good. I love it. Wow, that is delicious. Look at the chicken wing. Ooh, I love it. Let's see. That is so awesome. Wow, guys, this is awesome. It came out so nice. Look at the vegetables, nice and crispy. I mean, you can see. Look at that. You can do a soup like this with just vegetable. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. Don't overcook it. I mean, that's the key, so you can get more nutrients as well. But this is awesome, delicious. I just put some chicken wings and gizzard, and so many ways to make a good soup like this. But definitely perfect. Awesome color, awesome taste. And with the avocado right there, I'm ready to eat it, but I have to finish with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my videos. I will see you in the next video. God bless. Let's eat.